Hi everyone, my name is Douglas Starnes, and welcome to my course, Getting Started with Matplotlib. I am an independent tech author and speaker. Did you know that data is worthless? That's because most of the time, data is just a big glob of numbers, or can be represented by the same. Even for people who are not math-phobic, working in a purely numerical medium can be a challenge. So, to get the most value from our data and tell the data story, we can turn to a visual medium, the visualization. In this course, we are going to explore Matplotlib, a Python package for creating visualizations. Some of the major topics that we will cover include the types of visualizations that Matplotlib can create, how to customize these with colors, text, and layout, how to create interactive and animated visualizations, and ways to use Matplotlib visualizations in different types of applications. By the end of this course, you'll have the foundation needed to explore Matplotlib with the documentation. Your imagination truly is the limit, as Matplotlib is very capable. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with Python 3. Some familiarity with the NumPy and Pandas packages would also be helpful. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Matplotlib with the Getting Started with Matplotlib course at Pluralsight.